creating AI generated polygons that aren't created by the weather systems. Imagine you have a whole radar of a bunch of greens, reds, and you took picture every single minute of how the storm moves. So the last big tranche of storms that were worthy of getting alerts was 10 days ago. So now it's going to fill in everything. This is a collection of probably 500 pictures that are just overlapping consistently over here. And assuming they didn't create polygons for all of these, what we do is see what polygons were created by NOAA. The only polygons they created were for flood areas down here and up here. They weren't worried about high winds because, well, they fired everybody there. What we're doing is all of these red areas, we created our own bot where it will remove all of this automatically, and it will capture the addresses and draw a polygon on its own without you having to do anything every single day. And when it does that, they end up inside of this tab right here called Leads CRM. Once they're in Leads CRM, you are able to select who you want to enrich to. So you can click any of this, move to address management, and that doesn't cost you any tokens. Once that's moved to address management, this is your little type of data list. Anything that you want to just move over, you can. You don't have any contact information to any of these people yet. That's where the next phase comes in. When you finally want to start using your credits, right here, you would be able to select the people. Right now, you can only do 500 at a time. Whenever you're in address management, you just select Enrich with Advocate Data, which was that green button right before. These are the leads that we now queued up to get the contact information. So it should happen pretty quickly, which it has already. This is the newest cell phone number. These are fallback numbers. This is the information we have on the property. Now, if you wanted to get the email for these people, you could also do that. You would just have to hit the email or the enrichment button. Then you can select lookup email, use the lookup email, and it will then capture the email for you. And this is going through many sources online. It's not going through any back-end API. We've never been about that. We've always created our own systems to get real data. I want to point this